Wonder makes me get up every day and try harder. Wonder is the vitality of life. Wonder is in the present. It looks towards the future and it definitely recognizes the past. Ask me that 2 more times, you'll get 10 more answers. I don't know. My name is Alshaibi, and wonder gave me a voice. It made me believe in that voice. That voice belonged. You can't be from a place like Iraq or Palestine and have gone through the last several decades without having hope. Education to me is the most serious thing there is. It's probably what saved my own life. It's a very delicate balance between inspiring your students and having them hopeful and full of wonder. How do you experience it for yourself? That you're not just sort of projecting what you already know about it. Why don't we just start with honoring who we actually are? We're a country obsessed with perfection, and I just don't think that's very interesting or even realistic. That's the hardest thing, right? To just take that mask off and be plainly who you are. I am entrusted to help these young people become their fullest selves. To me, being an artist is who I am, and you don't have to be anybody else but what you are. Wonder gives me courage.